So do you know the topic for the day?
Yeah, today's topic is age.
Yes, age, right, very right. So what is the first thing which comes to your mind after you hear about age? What do you think about age?
Age means just we count ourselves that how many days we lived.
Okay.
Mm, it is natural to just get older. Just
Yeah.
we born, and after we weren't able to know about our age, and after sometimes after some years we realize that now we have completed our many years. Now we don't have so much time, but we have many things to do, and after that we becomes a hurry. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's yeah. As you said, like it's natural to grow old and yeah and all. So how old do you want to live?
Mm,
Like 60
I
years,
want
50 years?
I want to live 8 years.
Okay, that's nice.
But
So like, is there any? Yes.
yeah, but if in future that I don't want to live just like laying on the bed. Okay, just I want to die by going by doing work or doing anything.
Yeah. Why like what you have to be like keep walking throughout your life? Yeah.
Yeah,
That is what you're trying to say.
yeah,
Very good. Yeah. Like even I also think the same way. But anyhow, so
yeah.
do you think younger or older people are happier and why?
I don't think so that the older people are more happier than the young, okay, or youth. Because we know very well that when we are child, okay, that time we didn't have so much work, or we didn't have so much tension in our mind. Means whenever we are growing, that time we feel bound to do so many works, or we have so many works. So that's why by growing the age we become so upset and upset.
Yeah, exactly. That's a nice. So, in your case, like, do you like, are you liking it right now, or you like the time when you were a child or kid?
Actually, when I was child, okay, that time I think I was more happier than now.
Yes,
Yeah,
I also
that's
agree
why
because
we miss. That's why we miss our childhood always.
yeah, and you know what? When we were child, like we always used to think that you know what, I want to grow, I want to grow, and when once you grow up, then you realize that yeah, that childhood was the best thing, not adulthood. Like you know
Yeah.
what? But in this case, people like who are very rich, right? Like take the example of Ambani or Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan. You know, take
Mm.
the example of their sons, their daughters. They are very lucky, right? It doesn't matter if they are
Yeah.
15, 30, 90, they will enjoy their life. But in case of us, like we are middle class, right? So
Mm.
life is very difficult for middle class and lower middle class. So
Yeah.
I don't like this. Yeah. So do you
Yeah.
also want to say something on this?
Yeah. Yeah. We feel bound to manage ourselves. And what you told that it is, I think, very lucky. Okay, who born in a rich family or a very reputed family. To born a child in the rich family is a different thing. I think if you get chance to be with them, okay, just like a dog or any pet animal, that thing, then I think it is also a very lucky thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because everyone wants to be like rich only. Like sometimes you might have also thought that, yeah, I wish I were a son of Ambani or Jeff Bezos.
Uh,
Yeah. So
if you were born in this family, then you would have everything, right?
true, true, true.
Yeah. But sometimes I think that it is okay with our life. Okay, we are free to go anywhere. There are not much enemies of ours. Okay, there is no one to kill us, there is no one to uh, keep eye on us.
Kidnappers.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, let's come back to the topic. And my next question to you is that is old age typically a time of loneliness, like when you grow old, like whenever you are in your 90s or 80s something. So like, do you think that they are very lonely, they're very alone?
Yeah, I think you're right. When the people grow 80 or 90 or in their last age, okay, so I think they feel so lonely, so boring, because that time their physical would be not so strong. Okay, they would not be able to do so many work, or they would not able to go anywhere. Okay, so I think in this modern age no one is free to live with you. Everybody has his work, so it is natural that you won't find so many partner to whom you may talk with you. So I
Yes.
think that is the reason that the older age people feel so many lonely or boring.
Yes. And you know what, I've heard many people saying that when you will grow old, then you will be very relaxed. There will be no work to do, and you just have to sit, rest, and sleep. But that's not the thing. The thing becomes very difficult. Like, I think old age is the very difficult task, because there is no
Hmm.
one with whom you can talk. There is no one with whom you can express your feelings and all.
I think I have experienced so many things. So when the people grow old, that time the young generation people, or the young or the youth, okay, they like to teach them. So I think it is not good thing. Okay, because there will be time when we will be old. Okay,
Yeah.
and it is natural to be, or it is natural to be the generation gap. Okay, I think we shouldn't be so much proud that we are now in new generation. Okay, because there will be a time then we will grow old, and the new generation
Yes.
will come. We would also not able to run or operate the things, or the techniques which will be there. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also think that, you know what? So when I was in sixth grade, so there was this friend of mine and there was this our maths teacher. So
Hmm.
he that my friend, no, he always used to teach him that Are Buddha and all, like, you know.
Yeah.
And then that maths sir, he told him that, you know what, one day you will also be of my age, and then people will tease you. Okay, so you know that there are three ages. Like first we are child, then we are at adulthood, and then we are at old age. So according to this, which is the best one? The middle one, or the starting one, or the end one? And why? You have to justify the reason.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, we like, not only I, okay, I think everyone likes their childhood. Okay, because in childhood, I have already told here that they feel so free, and they didn't have so much work. So I think a childhood is a base age of us. Okay, but in the other hand, the other age is also very good, and we have to go through the age. Okay, so as in the childhood we are not able to fulfill our wishes, but in adulthood, okay, when we become adult, that time we are able to fulfill our wishes by doing work ourselves. And the old age, okay, that time I think if you worked very well in the whole age, then I think you would have everything which you need. Okay, so I think that is the age when we should enjoy our life with our family. We don't have any, so we would not have so much work to do. We have to enjoy only that time. Okay,
Yes.
so in this way I like all the age.
That's also a nice, point of view that you like every age. And yeah, you should enjoy every age. Like when you're a child, you should enjoy. When you're adult, you should enjoy. And when you're old, that time also you should enjoy.
Hmm.
Okay, so
So please tell me about your secret. That means how did you learn the English language and you become so friendly in the early age? as I think.
Yeah. Okay, so do you
Yeah.
think I'm very young? Like, what's my age like? Can you just guess my age?
Means you looks like so young, but you are so fluent in English.
Yeah, you know what? Like the reason is same. I had that environment. Like in our school, we used to talk in English with the teachers, with classmates, with friends. So I think that's the reason. And I used to watch a lot of English movies and read
Mm,
books. So when you start with an early age, the things becomes
mm,
quite easy for you. And
oh,
and when you start with 20, 25 with
mm,
basics, so it becomes difficult because
mm.
when you are young, your mind is very active and it can learn anything, any language,
Yeah,
right?
that's
So
right.
yeah,
So
so
what about in your school? I think in your school everybody feel bound to speak English or what?
no. Like it was our wish. There was nothing like
Mm,
if you will not speak, then you have to pay a fine or something. No, but
mm,
we generally used to speak in English because there was some rules, but there was
mm.
no, but there was not any fine or something. We just used to like to speak in English, so that's the reason. There is no any
Yeah,
other reason.
yeah.
Yeah, so
But we are still facing the lack of environment in English.
yeah,
Yeah,
so like, were you in Hindi medium school or English medium school?
yeah. I were a student of Hindi medium,
Okay,
and
and
I was yeah, and I have studied from government school.
okay. I think you have told me this. Okay, so at what age do you started learning English?
Actually, I have completed my graduation and MA. Okay, PG degree in English, English honors in English literature. Okay,
Okay,
but I think that's why I have some experience of English language. But that time I did not used to learn the English language. Okay, that time I used to read the only English literature. Okay, I never tried to speak. But I think for 6 months I have been learning the English language. It's spoken.
yeah, and you are improving day by day, so that's a
Yeah.
remarkable thing. And yeah, you can improve, and you're improving right now. So I think it might take you a few more months to enhance your English, but you will do
Mm,
it, I know, because
mm,
you have that motivation in yourself and the determination in yourself that
mm,
yes, you can do it. Then yeah, obviously.
mm.
So I think
It is the only reason that I can understand the English language by reading very easily. Okay, I don't need to read all the words. Okay, I just go through the lines and I understand the meaning of English.
that's good. Yeah. Like yeah, so that shows that you are improving. So yeah,
Mm.
that's the sign. Okay, so now I think we should end the session because now time has already, yeah.
Yeah.
So it was nice talking to you, and I hope that we'll meet in our next session.
Okay, yeah, of course. Okay,
Yeah,
then
so
bye.
bye
Good
bye,
night. Thank you.
bye, and take care.
Bye.
And one more thing which I would like to